Right, hello guys. I'm so happy to see your faces. Can you switch on your cameras so we can at least see each other? Oh, yes, I'm able to see many of you, all looking happy faces across age groups, boys and girls. Wow, that's so nice. I can see Vasu, Pankaj. Wow, Mr. Pankaj, I'm very happy to see you wanting to learn digital marketing. That's really nice. Awesome. Sukhvinder, Josar, Ishwar, Pratiksha. It looks like male dominated, Pratiksha. I can see only you, girl. Others are all boys. All right, so welcome, guys. I'm so happy. And I hope you are benefiting from the course. So write in the comment box if you're finding the course useful. So write hooray if you're finding the course useful. Put in the comment box. Malamurgan, can I see your face? Latish, Ranjan, switch on your cameras, guys. Switch on your cameras. Mujib, Shrajit, Amit. All right, Pankaj, Lakshmi, they are saying yes. Shrajit is very happy. Okay, Mujib is saying I don't have camera. No issues. I can see Latish. Very nice. So right, if you are benefiting, if you're finding the course useful, write hooray in the comment. Okay. So guys, basically the objective of this session. Okay, before we start the session, you can take screenshot and post this on your LinkedIn. Take screenshot of this Q&A that we are having, and you can post on your LinkedIn that you are doing this course and share your experience. So you will get good response. You will be able to attract more audience and there'll be good views and engagement. And I will also comment on your post. So do that. Pooja is saying I'm lagging behind, need to catch up. All right, Pooja, no issues. You will still have access to the course. I've decided to give you lifetime access, so we won't take away access from the videos. So you can try to catch up and complete the videos. So post it on your LinkedIn, make a story out of this, take a screenshot, put a story on your Instagram, on your Facebook account, and it will be good for building your followers. So this is mainly a Q&A session. So while you are doing the course, there must be some doubts that you may be having in your mind. So you can ask the questions and I will answer as many questions as possible. You can share your experience also, what is working for you, what is not working. So I want to build a community. Now, has everyone joined the Facebook group? So write yes if you've joined the Facebook group. Write yes in the comments. And those who have not joined, please join the Facebook group. That is one of the advantages of this course, because it will be a lifelong community of digital marketers, right? So any problem you are facing, any challenge you are facing, you can write in that group. And it's not dependent on me that only I have to respond. Many other people who have solutions to the problem that you are facing, they will respond. So we can benefit from each other. Link of Facebook group. Facebook group is Digital Marketing A to Z. If you just search in Facebook, no, Digital Marketing A to Z, you will get it. Otherwise, just check your inbox, and we had sent the link of Facebook group in the first email. It will be there. Yes. So what about others? I got many yes, but some people have not responded. What about others not yet joined? Yes, please join the Facebook group. Okay. All right, guys, now comment, ask questions. What are the doubts which are still there? Otherwise, I will ask you. And then if you are not able to answer, that means you have not gone through the videos properly. So if you don't want me to ask you questions, better you ask. So ask me what doubts you have. Are you clear about how to leverage Instagram? How will you grow followers? Whatever, any doubts that you're having, ask me. I'll give customized answers. How to create videos? Ritesh is asking. Ritesh, very good question. I have set up my own home studio. So one room I have allotted for creating, shooting videos. So basically what I did is, firstly you have to buy a camera, right? So camera is the most expensive equipment. I bought Sony 64. The model that I bought is Sony Alpha 6400. It's a 4K camera. So it's a good camera, and it's mainly for video shooting. It's primarily for video vloggers. So I bought that camera. It's very good. And then basically you need a green screen. So it's a cloth, it's a green cloth. So why we need green screen? Because green color is different from our skin tone. So it's easy to remove the background, right? So you need a green screen, and it's just a piece of cloth. But for hanging the cloth, you need a stand. So you need a stand and a green cloth. Okay. And then you need a tripod on which you can place the camera. So I bought a tripod. On that, I put the camera. Okay. And then just two lights. That's all. It's very simple. So buy LED lights because you can save some money on LED, right? And they won't get heated up. So buy softbox LED light, which you can adjust. So it has basically five bulbs. So you can switch on only one bulb or three bulbs or five bulbs, depending on the intensity of light that you want. And it doesn't heat up because it's not like halogen bulb. So you will not be sweating. Okay, that's all. It's fairly simple. Just, and one mic. So no need to buy cordless mic. So with cord, it didn't cost much, just 1100, 1200 rupees. That's all. You just need a small setup and you're ready to shoot videos. Okay, now people are asking, do we have any app solutions for video editing? No. Yes. See, one is you can use Adobe Premiere Pro. All right. Now, Adobe tools are slightly difficult because Adobe is professional, but you can do everything. So it's wonderful if you can work on Adobe Premiere Pro. Otherwise, I have taken subscription to InVideo, invideo.io. So it's not very expensive. I just took lifelong subscription, and basically it will give you ready templates. So you can make intro videos and ready templates. So it's easy to record and it's easy to edit. So you can use that. Okay, how to grow on YouTube? Josser, did you see the video lessons on YouTube marketing? So ask specific question, how to grow on YouTube, because that is already covered in the lesson, right? Similarly, Faruqi is saying how to grow YouTube subscriber. I think you have not seen the video lesson. Please check that out. Okay. Vasu is saying any specific tool for recording video and any suggestions for editing. So I hope I've already answered your question, right? Just now. So Faruqi, yes, Faruqi, Josser, please refer to the lessons. And still, if there is a doubt, then ask me. Nitya, all right, I am glad to see some more girls. So Nitya is there, Sushma is there, very nice. How to start up and promote? Good. I think you want to be an entrepreneur. So basically, for startup, no, you have to come up with an idea, right? So firstly, come up with an idea, identify the problem. So is there a problem that you are facing that is not solved? So that can be the starting point. So basically, don't just start me too ideas because they are very difficult to scale. So start with an idea where a customer has a problem and the solution is not existing, or solution is existing, but you can improve the solution. So start with that, come up with a minimum viable product. Don't start with like a very big product and complete solution, basic product. All right, do marketing and see if you're getting even few customers who are willing to pay you. Even if few customers are willing to pay, then it is proof of concept. So you will get confidence that, okay, people are willing to pay.
Hello.
Then you can invest
Huh?
further and then apply all your
Kitchen Lekha.
digital marketing
Kitchen Lekha.
understanding to grow your business. Sushma, from where you get the old videos? Did you join late? Just write to manager@profseema.com and tell which days videos you have not got. So it will be shared. Okay, it will be shared, not an issue. All right. Then, is there any specific technique to promote YouTube channel? Nitya already just checked the video lesson. There are many techniques covered in the video lesson. See, main thing, no, many people are asking about video marketing. So guys, main ultimate thing that you want to achieve in video marketing, especially YouTube marketing, is your video has to come in recommendation. YouTube is recommending, right? And it is saying up next. So your video has to become a recommended video, or it has to come in YouTube search. If you are able to crack this, then you will have exponential growth in your channel and subscribers. Now, how to crack and how to come into recommendation, how to get to the first page of YouTube. So for that, you have to do everything like is discussed in my lessons. You need to have attractive thumbnail, make catchy titles, put keyword in your meta tags, right? Put good quality content, check other people's content, and your content should be better than other people's content. Correct. So you have to make good quality content, do SEO, have attractive thumbnail so that more people are able to click, and then ask people to like, comment, share, engage them and increase your watch time.
Yeah.
So if you do all these, then definitely you will rock. Nothing is easy. It will take time, but be persistent. Mujib, you are having a question regarding Instagram, like what type of content we should post. Okay. See, if you want to post on Insta, number one, you should have variety. Okay. So don't post same type of content. So always mix up your content. So sometimes you educate, sometimes you entertain your target audience. Okay. Sometimes inspire them. So put quotes, excite them. All right. So you want to entertain. So
Hello.
use memes. So mix up your content, number one. Number two, educate them. So share with them tips, tricks. So for example, like I put up content on digital marketing. So mostly my content will be about tips. Sometimes I will put memes, right? Sometimes I will create contest. Okay. Sometimes I will post about courses. All right. Sometimes I will post about trending topics. So if Black Lives Matter is trending, then we have to create content around that. Correct. Similarly, when Sushant Singh committed suicide, then suddenly this question of mental health during COVID came up. So I created content and a video on mental health and a video on racist marketing because of Black Lives Matter movement. So 10% of your content should be trending topic. 90% content will be evergreen. So always create content which people are talking about. Like recently there was ban on TikTok, right? And 59 apps. So I created a video on that. I gave an interview to a newspaper and it was done Facebook Live. So
Mother,
you're talking about current topics as well as
mother,
evergreen topics. Got it?
अम्मा
So
उड़े,
basically mix up your
चलो
content. नहीं तो लोग बोर हो जाएंगे अगर एक ही एक कंटेंट बोलेंगे ना पूरे टाइम एजुकेशनल सो पीपल विल गेट बोर्ड और फिर मारेंगे ओके सो मिक्स अप योर कंटेंट कैन आई यूज फिल्मोरा Sumit, you can use Filmora, but I think the quality may not be that good. Like if you really want very professional type of video editing, you may not get that look from Filmora. It's good, you can try with that initially, but later on you have to go for maybe this InVideo or Adobe. Okay, any tips to promote a blog? Vidhi Ben is saying, Vidhi Ben, blog is a fantastic thing in digital marketing. Okay, now like I started my blog and I started only 6 months ago. Now some of my blog articles, they are coming on first page of Google. Now one blog article which is coming on first page of Google, every day it is getting 350 users to my website. So in a month, I'm getting 25,000 users on my website. And this is all organic, no paid. And this is primarily coming from only 2-3 blog articles. So imagine, I mean, the power of blog is huge. So like I have 25 blog articles. Now, right now, 3-4 blog articles are coming on first page. Imagine if all my 25 blog articles come on first page, then I can increase the traffic by almost what? 10 times, right? So 25,000 traffic will become how much? 2.5 lakhs, correct? So it is very scalable. So please invest in blog. I'm a big fan of blog. It works very well. All right, Ranjan, you are asking a very valid question. You have a question on reach marketing on Facebook. Does it mean it is a localized marketing for unique users of a particular Facebook site? Ranjan, question is not very clear. You just rewrite, ask clearly. It's not very clear. Okay, Vasu is asking, is there any specific tools for understanding analytics of social media campaign as a whole? Okay. Vasu, if you're talking about paid campaign, then complete analytics comes in Facebook. So if you're running ad through Facebook, then you will have a dashboard, Facebook Ad Manager. All right. Complete analytics will be there in the dashboard. It is very rich. It will give you everything: impression, reach, click rate, conversion rate, engagement. Are you getting it? Everything it will give. Cost per conversion. So everything will come. And if you're talking about organic, then organic will come in Facebook Insight or Instagram Insight, or YouTube has its own Insight tab. So guys, there's no need to go for any paid analytics tool. If you're running a paid campaign, it will come in Google Ads or Facebook ad. If you're talking about organic marketing, then Facebook has its own Insight tab. Just click on that, full data is there. If you're talking of Instagram, just click on the post and it has insight. If you're talking of YouTube, YouTube has its own free insight. All right. I will strongly urge that when you do more campaigns and you put up more posts, no, keep an eye on numbers. Always analyze. See what the numbers are telling. Numbers always have a lot of story. Okay, so you will get a lot of insight how to improve your social media marketing. How to do live YouTube session effectively. How to do live YouTube session effectively. See, YouTube live, there is that, what is it called? Basically, keep the YouTube live interactive. So allow people to ask questions. And if you have a PPT, then people can see some slides, right? So make it Q&A or make it like an interactive chat show. So you talk to somebody and then one is asking question and other person is responding. So when people see a dialogue between two people, no, it becomes more interesting. Right. So have a dialogue, have a conversation, a talk show, or do a Q&A. So it's more interactive. Encourage people to comment, right? Every now and then ask them questions. So it will be engaging. What are your thoughts on AI powered marketing? What is the future of AI? Neil is asking. Neil, good question. Marketing, especially digital marketing, no, it's using lot of AI. So your complete targeting is AI driven. Now you can just tell Facebook what is your objective. So if your objective is to maximize click, then Facebook will figure out who to show the ad. So it will show ad to people who have higher probability of click. Similarly, bidding is automated. You just give target. Target is to make people click at lowest possible cost. And platform will show ad to people whose cost is lower. So it will only increase in future. All right, everything is going technology way. More AI, more ML, more automation, more dynamic marketing, more remarketing, more and more AI. Ritesh is saying we need paid services to set up our accounts. As we've understood basic in course, but we need someone pro in it. Once account is set properly, we can grow it fast. Ritesh, you don't need any paid services. What account you have to set up? If you're talking of paid campaign, you can use Facebook Business Manager, Facebook Ad Manager. They are free, right? You don't need any professional to set it up. It's all do it yourself.
Ma'am, can I speak?
All right. If you want to set up pixel and conversion, then you can take the help of some tech friend and they will help you to paste your pixel. You don't need much tech. Okay. Sumit is saying he got difficulty to connect his domain to WordPress.
Madam, can I talk?
Okay, I'm not sure, Sumit, what exactly is the problem. So maybe just message, write an email, and I will see how to help you. Okay, Supriya, you want videos to be sent on a particular email, just write to manager. Okay, Pratiksha, you want old videos, write to manager. Prasanjit, you are facing problem in video editing. You have to learn. Basically, video editing, no, it's a bit difficult skill. So it will require some practice. You need some practice. Start with Filmora, then try InVideo, and then jump to Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay. Soumya is saying, I have Instagram page on photography and I am posting regular content using hashtag, but reach is not up to the mark. So as the follower, any solution? Soumya, try to put very good quality content and change your hashtag every now and then. So don't keep using the same hashtag and use small hashtag which have got only thousands of posts. Don't use big hashtag because right now your account is small, correct? So you should use hashtags which are small. Use the tool which I suggested, meta hashtag, and it will tell you small hashtag. Use that. And I would recommend, Soumya, that invest little bit of money and run paid ads and acquire some followers. Because once you have around 4,000, 5,000 followers, no, then automatically your reach will be better and you will get more engagement, and slowly you will start appearing in hashtag. Okay, so initially it's a good idea that so invest little bit on paid marketing. It will give you a jump start. Once you get 5,000 followers, then you will see that there is more engagement. And the moment there is more engagement, your post will start coming in the top in hashtag. Number one. Number two, use small hashtag. Okay. And one more thing I was saying. Yes, third, very important thing, model on other post. So find out your top hashtag in your category and see the posts which are coming on top and try to draw inspiration from those posts. So try to post which are similar to them. Don't copy them, but get inspiration from them. Guys, I learned from my experience. Initially, no, my team was posting, they were creating their own content from scratch. And our posts were not getting that engagement or likes or followers. And we were continuously like getting frustrated that why we are not getting. Then one fine day, I just saw that what are the top posts in the hashtag that I am targeting. And I saw that those posts were very different from what we were creating. So I started taking screenshots of those posts and I sent it to my design team. And I told them, don't apply your own mind. No, but model on these posts. So now they started learning from successful posts. And now the content that they are creating, now it's becoming much more successful. So do that. Initially model on others. All right. Ma'am, Chaitanya is asking how to build a productive email list for email marketing. Chaitanya, very good question. For doing that, basically, give something for free. See, you need a lead magnet, right? You need a lead magnet. What is this? Jaideep, you are sharing your screen. Don't do that. Yes. Okay. So what I'm saying is basically build a lead magnet. So what is a lead magnet? Lead magnet is, guys, give something for free. That is the only way to build an email list. So in my case, I do free webinar. All right. I do free workshops. Okay. I sometimes sell, I have blog articles. They are for free. Correct. So basically, when you're giving something for free, you are creating a lead magnet. And if people want to attend my webinar, they have to enter email ID and phone number. So I'm building my email list. Correct. I've created an ebook. Now that ebook, I'm putting in my bio in Instagram. When people click on that ebook link, they will come to my website and they have to fill the lead form and then they can get the ebook. Right? So you need to have a lead magnet, give away something for free. It can be anything. It can be a blog article, it can be a small mini course, it can be a webinar, it can be an ebook. It's all about just giving value. All right. Akshay, you can close mic. Somebody is requesting. Ma'am, please share your Instagram ID. Yes, guys, if you're not following me already on Instagram, please do that. My handle is Prof. Seema Gupta. Because I constantly share small tips on Instagram, Prof. Seema Gupta. And on YouTube, my handle is same, Prof. Seema Gupta. So also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so regularly I'm uploading videos on latest things in digital marketing. So you will be able to learn, keep on updating for free. All right. Bhaskar is saying trending 20%. Yeah, Bhaskar, 20% is also good. Now I said 10% because 20% may be a little too much. The problem with trending topics is that it has limited life. So, for example, like my video on mental health during COVID, okay, or marketing during Corona. Now, after COVID is over, after 1 year, those videos will not have any usefulness, right? So that is why if you're creating too many trending videos, no, the life will be smaller. But at the same time, they may give you a lot of reach right now. Okay, so 20% is also fine or 10% is also fine. Putting memes on a company page, is it a good idea? I don't think there is anything wrong in that. It's a good idea to put memes because memes, no, they are very powerful. Typically, memes will have photos of popular characters. So it may be Amitabh Bachchan, it may be Barack Obama, right? It may be popular characters. It may be that professor from Money Heist. So when people see the meme and the popular character, immediately they recognize. Correct. So it's attention catchy and memes are witty. So you are replacing the text and putting context of your product or company or service. So you're making it relevant, right? So there's no harm. You can do it, but it depends on how you do it. So always just see, I mean, is the meme making you laugh? Guys, any content that you put, no, test it on yourself. All right. So what I do is when my team shares any content, I just see that do I like it? Will I share it with my friends? If it is meme, is it making me laugh? Is it interesting? Now, if I don't find it interesting, if it's not making me laugh, if I will not share it with my friends, then I don't put it on my handles. So, simple rule you should follow. Listen to your heart. Okay, guys, that is a simple thumb rule to figure out whether you should post it or not. Because heart is always pure. Heart will tell you the correct thing. Okay, paid services of Facebook, YouTube marketing. Dr. Makarand, I am glad you are joining because it's good to see some faculty always take up these courses because faculty is very powerful and they can share their learning with students. See, paid service of Facebook, no? Uh, Facebook paid ads are very good. They are quite effective. They are economical. All right. And they are completely do it yourself. So you don't have to depend on agency. You don't have to depend on others. All right. Google ads also. You can do it yourself. You don't have to depend on others. It's not that expensive. All right. So don't always go only for organic, guys. Days of free marketing are over. So if you want to grow, you need to go for paid. Getting it? Okay. Your take on SMS, Rakesh. All right. Take on SMS and WhatsApp marketing. So, guys, comment. Do you think SMS marketing does it work? Is it effective? Does it work anymore? Right? Yes, if you think SMS marketing works. Right? No, if you think it is flop show. SMS marketing. Once upon a time, it was very powerful. Now, does it work? Do we open our SMS? What do you think? Right? Yes, if you think it works. Right? No, if it doesn't work. Latish, Ambalika is saying, no, not at all. Yes, how many times do we go to check our SMS? Unfortunately, SMS is basically killed. Now people don't check, right? Because it is so much spamming. People have spammed, they have shared phone numbers. In India, do not disturb doesn't work that properly. There is a lot of abuse. So SMS marketing doesn't work. Transaction SMS marketing works. So if you want to just notify people, no, and confirm transaction, that will work. But if you want to promote and motivate people to buy, persuade them, that doesn't work anymore. Okay. WhatsApp marketing. Guys, is there any WhatsApp marketing? See, there is no proper paid WhatsApp marketing. But after Facebook and Jio merger, merger in the sense Facebook investment in Reliance, Facebook is looking for ways to monetize WhatsApp. So over a period of time, we may see some ads on WhatsApp. And Facebook is basically using data from WhatsApp to make its advertising on Facebook and Insta more targeted. So WhatsApp is available on select basis by invitation for some companies. WhatsApp tested it, and Make My Trip, Book My Show, these companies, they were invited, but it is limited to transaction. So they can only share transaction messages. They cannot send any promotional messages. Okay. Now there are some agencies, they are available, and through them we can send messages in WhatsApp. But they are sort of illegal because they are not official. All right. So the problem in that will be that they will send messages through some unknown number. It will not be your phone number. All right. And typically they will be some US numbers. So when I am seeing some random US number sending me a message, then I will definitely be skeptical, right? Because WhatsApp is more personal. So then I will not respond to it. So you will also not respond. And you cannot reply to it because it is not company's number. It is some random number. And these numbers keep on changing because WhatsApp keeps blocking them. So basically it doesn't work. Whatever WhatsApp marketing is there, we have WhatsApp for business, right? So in that you have little bit more control, but I didn't find it to be great. It is just okay if you have a business, you can create a WhatsApp for business, and it becomes like a uh, only admin. So only admin can post, right? And you can set automated messages, but just that only that's it. So it doesn't have too many features. Okay, Bhaskar is asking, do I have affiliate marketing for DM course? I have recommended many friends to your course starting from 14th. All right, Bhaskar, that's very nice. But affiliate marketing is not covered in that DM course because it's a basic course which is talking about important things. So anyways, the scope of the course is huge. SEO and paid search, right? How to start a website. Many other things are there in that course. So guys, if you want to learn more about these things like SEO, how to run paid search campaign, okay, how to start your own website, WordPress without coding, then you can enroll for DM course. All right, so link will be there. Link is there in Instagram handle. So if you go to Instagram handle, you will find that course. And if you want, you can enroll in that course as well. It's starting from 14th. Okay. Ritesh is saying, do we have a single tool to manage Insta, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, and others? Many tools are there for just automatic posting. Okay, Ritesh, Buffer is there. You can use Buffer to automate posting. Through Insta also you can post on Facebook. All right, you can do, just type in Google, there are many tools for just cross posting. Okay. Ranjan is saying this is for Nielsen employees. How many people are coming to the site within 50 meters from office? All right, this is slightly, it's still not very clear, but Ranjan, just write to me privately and I will look at your query. TubeBuddy is really working, ma'am, because my video is placed in top 3. Pochi Raju, Shrikant. All right, I'm so glad. TubeBuddy is a wonderful tool, guys. So those who are doing YouTube marketing, install the TubeBuddy Chrome extension and it will give you complete analytics. I use it all the time. So whichever video you go, it will tell you what tags they are using. You can analyze competition and you can find out what tags to use. And it tells you the position of your video for keywords. So you'll be on top of your game. Guys, somebody's mic was on, so please mute your mic. Okay, Fawad Khan is saying, conduct specific sessions on Instagram and YouTube where detailed information. Fawad, you ask specific question because lot of thing is already there in the video lessons about Instagram and YouTube. So even if you implement that, you can really build your Instagram and YouTube handles. So if any still doubt is there, you ask. Okay. Parth is saying, I tried hashtag strategy, though my followers didn't increase, but reach went up to almost 390. Absolutely, Parth, you are on the right track. That's what it does. Basically, you will reach out to more people. Okay. Now, when new people are seeing your post, on the first time, they will not follow you. But when the same people again and again see your post, and they like your content, then they will follow you. So even I have same experience, Parth. Hashtag will give you more reach. Now, first time people see, they won't follow because they are having a still doubt in their mind whether consistently you are sharing good content or not. But repeatedly, they see good content and they will start following you. And even followers will increase. So right now your reach is 390. But once you reach 1,000 people, 2,000, you will start getting 4-5 followers. Okay. Vasu is asking, other than title, description, thumbnail, is there any connect with keywords in the video content and SEO? Should we consciously repeat keywords like we do in website? Vasu, good question. Repeating is not so much necessary. Maybe 2 times or 3 times you can repeat. But Vasu, it is good if you speak out those keywords in your video. So don't just write in your meta tags. So when you're editing, when you're creating the video, no, speak out those keywords. All right, so embed them, I mean, speak them. That will also help. And also put the keyword. So when you speak, no, the keyword will also come in subtitle. Enable subtitle. Vasu, your thing doesn't include subtitle. Okay, guys, subtitles have lot of value in YouTube marketing because subtitle is what you are speaking that is converted into text, correct? So Google has more confidence on subtitle than it has on your description. Because in description, you are adding later on, right? You can add whatever you want. But subtitle is exact translation of what you are speaking into the video. So subtitle has lot of weightage. It requires little bit of effort, but it will help in video SEO. So please do that. Okay. Supriya is saying conduct sessions on blogs. I know about WordPress. Can we blog different topics on same website? Supriya, interesting. Supriya, website should have one theme. It cannot become like a hodgepodge. So if you want to write on separate topics, then buy a different domain. It's not a good idea to mix topics. All right. For example, my topic is digital marketing. Now, suddenly, if I start talking about travel, it will become very odd and it will erode trust and credibility of my website. Right. But within digital marketing, I can talk about subtopics. So I can write about SEO, Instagram marketing, influencer marketing, TikTok, right? That is fine. Landing page, all that is fine. One or two articles on management is also fine. On marketing, also fine. But randomly, if I start talking about travel, that won't look good. Okay. So if you have different topics, buy different domain and do blogging. Which is the best emailing tool? Amit, from Gmail, the mails got bounced. Amit is asking. See, for many of you, no, mails will go in promotions tab. So ensure you move it to inbox. So my emails, try to move it into inbox and also check spam folder. If it is going there, move it into inbox. Okay. Amit, I am using Get Response. I like Get Response. It has good functionality and you can make list, you can build list, you can do autoresponder. All right, you can set up funnels. So try Get Response. It is good. Okay. Other one is MailChimp, but I prefer Get Response. Free video creation tools. Filmora and all are video creation, but you need the camera, no, to shoot. Correct. Otherwise, you make animation videos. So animation, basically, Samarth, no, Sanket, it will show that watermark, right? So you have to figure out, or you can convert PPT into a video. So you can do all that, but it won't be that good, right? RSS feed. Nowadays, RSS feed, not much people are using. At least I am not using. Okay, Ranjan. Funds on reach marketing. No, it's not clear. Elder people will check it. It is flow shop as of now, since many spam SMS we get every day. Saket is saying about SMS. WhatsApp marketing works for affiliate marketing by sending the link. Bhaskar, yes, that's an interesting point. Correct. So see, already who will buy from us? So if you're doing affiliate marketing, no, you can send affiliate link to your family, to your friends. So already you are part of family group, correct? I'm part of college group. I'm part of my postgraduate group. So if I'm selling something, there's no harm in sending the affiliate link to your WhatsApp groups. Okay, so that's good. Parth is saying he has 1,000 SMS messages which are unchecked. Absolutely, same for me. I don't check. And sometimes I miss out also on important messages because of that. Sukhvinder is saying, how many topics can I make a video? And how to make it on my YouTube channel? What I have to do? And if there are different topics, how I have to separate them? Sukhvinder, no. YouTube channel needs to have a theme. You cannot have like a YouTube channel which is talking about multiple things. No, decide a theme. Okay. And how to make a video? You need a camera. See, on YouTube channel, we cannot upload some animation. You can make random one-off video. But if you need to have a proper YouTube channel, you need at least decent quality camera, right? And you can shoot it yourself and you can edit it yourself. Correct, by using InVideo, and you have to learn then Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay. Last day for task submission. So guys, try to submit your task. Tomorrow is the last day. Try to submit it by tomorrow itself. If you are unable to submit, we'll give a grace period. Okay. Dr. Makarand is saying, what are the charges for Facebook and YouTube marketing, paid ad? It depends on your category and it depends on your objective, right? So if you're looking at click, now click may cost 2 rupees. It may also cost 20 rupees. Depends on the category. Right now, because of COVID, all the rates are down. So it's cheaper to advertise right now. Okay, guys. So it is a good time actually to advertise because rates are down for everything. Okay. So typically your CPC, cost per click, rates will depend on industry and it may be 2-3 rupees to 20 rupees. Is there a doctorate program for digital marketing? Jeremiah, doctorate program, PhD you can do in marketing, right? And within marketing, you can do your thesis topic can be digital. So there's no doctorate, especially in digital marketing. You do in marketing and then take up a topic of digital marketing. All right. Ambalika is saying more information about affiliate marketing. Ambalika, I have an ebook on affiliate marketing. Just check out my website. It's available and you can download that ebook. All right. Otherwise, check my Insta feed. And in Insta, you will find that post and link. Is bidding amount dependent on which customers we want to target? Or platforms just choose audience based on location that we mention? Anurag, bidding amount will depend on customers that you want to target. So if you are doing narrow targeting, it will be more costly. The more broader the targeting, less expensive. Are you getting it? More broad the targeting, less expensive. More narrower the targeting, more expensive. Okay, but broader targeting may not give you result. Narrower targeting, although it's more expensive, but it may give you result because people will click, they will convert. All right. So again, it also depends on platform. So if you're running ad on LinkedIn, it will be very expensive. But if you're running ad on Facebook, on Insta, it will be less expensive. Banner ads are less expensive. Search ads are more expensive. Okay, because banner ads are coming on website and there are so many websites, right? So supply is a lot. So yes, it depends on targeting. It depends on platform. Like TikTok, ads on TikTok were very expensive. Twitter ad is very expensive. All right. So different platforms, they have different rates. Any tool to convert subtitles? Subtitle, no. Basically, voice type is there. So you can try that. So just go to Google Docs and in Google Doc, there is an option, voice type. Okay. So click on voice type and then play the video that you have recorded and it will type the video. Okay. Now, of course, there will be errors. So go for manual correction. So correct it and then upload that. But you will have to sync. All right. So it requires little bit of effort. It's not completely automated, but you can do it this way. I do it this way. So open Google Docs, enable voice type, play the video. The voice typing will type the video. It will obviously have a lot of mistakes. So correct them. All right. And then sync it, upload it on your YouTube channel and sync it. All right, Fawad is saying, do we integrate all social media platforms? I don't know what you mean by integrating. There's no need to integrate. Fawad, right now try to manage it manually. Because integration, no, then you're automating too much. Right now your account is small, so you can pay individual attention. I prefer to post it separately on Facebook, on YouTube, so I can check whether posting is happening properly or not. If I'm automating, I don't know what's happening, right? Only when your account becomes very big and you're posting like 10 posts in a day and you're really scaling up, then only there's need to automate. Like Twitter, no? Now you need to customize. So what you are posting on Insta will not go on Twitter, correct? Because it has only a small character limit. So no need. All right, basically, how to create and use social media calendar. Nitya, that's a good question. Guys, it's good to have a social media calendar. So what you do is open Excel. All right. Now in Excel, you make 7, basically, right. So 7 rows. So will be mapped to 7 days of the week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday till Sunday. Okay. And for every day in the column, you can put 3 posts. Like I put up 3 posts per day. Okay, so in the column, I'll put 1, 2, 3. Now, make sure that every day you're putting 3 different posts. So prepare a calendar for 1 week. So put theme. So one will be educational. Another post will be entertainment. Third will be inspirational. So some quote. All right. Then next day you may put up something which is trending. Then something which is about a festival. All right. Then a contest. So it is very good idea to make a calendar. That way, any festival which is coming, no, you can plan for festival. Correct. Otherwise, and it is proper mix up. So you're mixing, you're giving variety to your target audience. And it doesn't depend on your mood. Otherwise, if you're in angry mood, then you'll make some angry post. So it shouldn't depend on your mood. Correct. So do that. Ambalika, for any internship with me, send your resume, email it to manager, and if your profile fits, tell what particular skills you have in digital marketing. So are you good in video editing, or are you good in design or blog writing? Correct. Or are you good in social media handle? So write that. Okay. Anurag is saying, how much per ad is being spent on each click? So can I set a total ad amount of 5,000? Yes, you can set up your budget. No? Anurag, initially set a budget per day. I prefer per day. So typically I'll put up like say 300, 400 rupees per day. Anurag, simple mantra, start small. In digital, no, don't put lot of money initially. Put only small amount of money. So put 200, 300 rupees per day. If the campaign is working, if you're getting clicks, if you're getting result, then increase it. So from 300, make it 400, 500. Don't make it 5,000 suddenly. Go slow. Increase by 20% week on week, right? Or if you don't want to wait for that long, then maybe just increase 2-3 times in a week. Simple mantra, guys. In digital, go slow. First fire bullet and not a cannonball. Correct? You're firing bullet. So you're putting only limited money. Once you get proof, then amplify. Put more resources. So पूरा then तोप का गोला छोड़ दो. पहले बुलेट, पहले बंदूक से गोली चलानी है, उसके बाद में पूरी तोप को छोड़ना है. ठीक है? Voice type, will it convert English or does it support Hindi? No, it doesn't work in English. This translation doesn't work. See, voice type, no, it's very bad in translating from Hindi. Okay, you are saying, yeah, voice type you can do in Hindi also. So if the video is in Hindi, no, there is an option to choose language. So choose language and it will type in Hindi. Okay, it's not a problem. Will I be checking all the tasks personally? Some tasks I may check randomly, but my team will see some of the tasks, but we will only check that you have submitted or not. But it's not possible to give feedback or review all the tasks. Okay, so idea is to make you apply whatever you are learning in practice. So guys, I want that you should succeed, right? So when you're taking the course, if you are successful, then that will be my success also. Because if you're getting results, you will recommend to your friends, right? And you will be happy, you will talk about it. So more people will enroll in my course, correct? And you will talk positively about me, that's all. So that's why I want you to succeed. So whatever you are learning, you have to practice, apply, and you will get results. Okay, so it's almost, I think we have almost finished. Fawad is saying, Fawad, I'm so happy you like the approach. And you can recognize with each strategy that I am explaining, and you are finding it doable. I'm so glad. So guys, take screenshot. Okay, Vasu, any limits on the number of posts per day? And does it vary with platform? Yes, Vasu, good question. If it is Twitter, you should post minimum 7-8 per day. Yeah. Twitter is tweeting. It's more real time. The life of a tweet on Twitter is only 30 minutes. Okay. So on Twitter, tweet more often. So I try to do 7-8 times. Right now, I'm not able to do, but you can actually do 10-15 times also. Okay. But we can't do so many on Insta because Insta may think we are spamming. On LinkedIn also, we can't do so much. Correct. So on Insta, it may be 3-4 or 5-6 per day. Correct. Same thing on Facebook. But on LinkedIn, 5-6 per day may be too much. So people will think like you are spamming, right? So you have to vary according to the platform. Vasu is asking anything on sentiment analysis, any tool for social media behavior of customer. Vasu, check this tool. It is called socialmention.com. All right. Socialmention.com. Socialmention.com. Okay. Now in this tool, oh, it's gone privately. In this tool, basically, it will give you sentiment analysis in the last 24 hours. All right. So it will tell you how many people are thinking positively, how many people are thinking negatively about your brand. But it is largely based on Twitter data. Okay. So try this socialmention.com. Right now it's working. Sometimes it doesn't work, but try it. Okay, guys, I've answered almost all the questions. I don't think any question is left. I'm glad today the questions were very good and they were all relevant. So guys, it's very good. You should attend all these Q&A because many queries are getting answered, right? And you get to know about many more things. So take a screenshot, share it on LinkedIn, put a story on Insta, right? And if you're liking the course, share your experience about the course on Facebook group. So share your experience. Tell your friends also, they can benefit from the course, right? And if you need, join and enroll for digital marketing course, which is happening on 14th. Ishwar, I just realized that right now we are sending links, right? So links live is probably it will be available for only 1 week more. Okay, so you will have access only for 1 week more, not lifetime. But still, if anybody is specifically wanting more access, then write to me and I will figure out a solution. Okay, So write to manager and we will figure out if somebody is wanting access for a longer period. Yes, I'm very glad the questions were very good. I completely enjoyed. So guys, thank you very much. It was interesting. I was able to answer a lot of interesting questions. So be active in FB group. Any doubt you have, ask there. And many other people, they will share their experience, right? So keep that FB group community vibrant. It will be very active and it will be very useful forever. It is the same course which you conduct from 22nd June. 22nd June, I don't remember which. Yes, those who have taken my earlier digital marketing course, it is the same course. So no need to take again. But those who didn't take digital marketing A to Z course, if they want, they can enroll for that. It's starting from 14th. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Please share on social media. Put a story, tag me. All right. So tag me. I will comment and I will also share some of your post. So I will try to make you famous. Okay. All right. Good night. Have a nice weekend. Bye.
Hi.
Bye, ma'am.